Veda.
Well, let us see what is the next best thing the Blender has to offer. Before starting, what you need to do is go to Edit, go to Preferences, and in the Add-ons tab, come over here and type EXTRA extra and tick this Add Curve Extra Object, as well as tick this sapling tree, SAP, this Add Curve Sapling Tree Generator. What that does is, if I switch this off and if we go here into the Blender, let us just rest in peace this cube and go to Add to Curve, we get this extra curves. So in that curve, let us see what is this simple curve does. Bezier, it is just a simple curve, and if you want to edit the way it is looking, you can just go to edit mode or hit tab on your keyboard. Select one of the points and you can just grab it and move it and place it wherever you want. If I tap Shift Z, it will conform itself to the X and Y plane. If I don't tap anything and just move it, it can be moving anywhere. And if I tap select this thing and Shift Z, G to grab it and Shift Z, and if I change now, it is going to conform itself on the XY plane. This is Bezier. Go to Add, go to Curve, see the next object is circle. It's nothing but a simple circle. One more thing you can do with the curves is come over here in the data properties, and from here you can convert it from 2D to 3D, and the most important part and the most wonderful part is this geometry. You can extrude this geometry to give it an extra surface. Let me go into this solid mode. This is how the curve would be visible. If you want, you can keep it round. If you want, you can allow any object to be used as a curve, which we will be seeing further as we go along. And in the profile, you can give your own way of beveling it. In the profile tab, if I click here to get one point and just change some things, and if we change the depth, you can already see that this curve is getting a thickness. This is circle. Go to Add, go to Curve, and the next object is NURB curve. What it actually does is, this is a curve, and if I tab into the edit mode, if you want, you can grow from here as well. And now we have this curve which is being controlled by these control points. And if you want to extend the curve, just tap E on the keyboard and you can extrude it. So the NURB curve is something that can be controlled by using these lines and these vertices. Whereas, let me show you what is the difference between NURB curve and a simple curve. If I come to this simple curve in this Bezier, if now I go from object mode to edit mode, you can also use tab button. Now if I change the movement, it is changing the point on the line, whereas in the curve it wasn't changing the line, whereas it wasn't changing. Let me just show you instead of explaining. If I tap E, we are not changing the point over the curve, we are changing a different thing over here to change the way the curve behaves. So the next thing is, go to Add, go to Curve, and go to NURB circle. It's same as circle, but it is being created by using NURBs. If I tab into the edit mode, you get these lines, which indicates that this circle was made by using nerves. Add, curve and path. It's a simple path. It shows how the line is being generated using nerves as well. Whenever these lines come, it means that it is being converted, it is being made using nerves. So that's it for this, guys. If you like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and if you want to wholeheartedly support me, Patreon page links will be given in the description as well. And if you want to contact me, phone number is also given in the description as well, to get a comprehensive information on how the Blender works. With that being said and done, try to see it, learn it, understand it. I will be seeing you in the next video.